Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix if iPhone not showing recent calls. If you are not showing your recent call log history in your iPhone, then here are the fixes. You can see restart your iPhone. This is the first and initial workaround. Turn off your iPhone and restart afresh your iPhone and check whether your recent call history showing or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down, tap on general settings. Here scroll down and tap on language and region and make sure that correct region has been set in your iPhone. If not set, set your correct region here. Thereafter go back and go to date and time and make sure that time is correctly set. Turn off the set automatically and manually set correct date and time zone, and thereafter set automatically turned on this toggle button. So correct date and time and correct region must be in your iPhone, and check whether your recent call history showing or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Tap on settings again. Here tap on general settings. Here tap on software update and make sure that your iPhone is duly updated with latest iOS update. If not, update your iPhone. The next workaround is again tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down, tap on general settings. Here scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset again and here tap on reset network settings. Unlock your iPhone with passcode and again tap on reset network settings. Follow on screen instruction to complete the resetting process of your network, and accordingly your problems should be definitely be resolved. That's